Once you've built and designed your perfect funnel in Heyflow, it's time to share it with the world. One of the most popular ways to do so is by embedding your funnel into an existing website. My name is Laura, and welcome to Heyflow. In your funnel, first go to the Connect tab and then to Embed. Click on Add Embedding and select your website provider from the list, or choose Other if yours isn't listed here. You have two options when it comes to embedding. You can embed your Heyflow as an inline element, which means that it will appear as a block on your website, or you can embed it as a pop-up, which means that it will be centered in front of your page and open on a button click. Once you've decided which option you want to go for, you'll need to add your domain and then adjust some more settings as needed. URL parameters are synced with your Heyflow settings and enabled by default. If you'd like to disable this option, you can do so in your flow settings. If everything looks good, click on Add Inline. Now you just need to copy the two code snippets and paste them into your website. One code belongs to the head section of your page, the other one where you want your funnel to appear. Some providers need a plugin to insert a head code. If you selected the pop-up option, you additionally get a code for the button which opens your funnel. Congratulations! Now you know how to embed your Heyflow into your website. For more information on this topic, visit our help center or check out other videos. Happy building!